on that wide body from Florida, we have something else coming down the shop, which is gonna be another video for you guys. We have a truck dropping off another Hellcat that came from, my God, I forgot the name of the city, but it came from very far away. How you doing today, sir? You're the truck driver. Where is this? We're getting dropped off from what city? North Carolina. This will come from North Carolina, so I'm gonna do a video blog of the vehicle. Like, they got just getting dropped off to do a wide body on this bad boy right now. They got my video evidence of everything dope. We do have some scratches right there. We do have, I'm looking for any damages, guys, because obviously I'm responsible. We got something looking there. We got something right there. She look good though. She look good though. And everything else is looking all right. And I think that's all the damages I got on her. She is ready to be signed, sealed, and delivered, guys. So we got that Hellcat in the building. This one came in from North Carolina. Going out for the wide body now. For the vehicle, I got my paperwork. I'm gonna take this to the back, start the process of the wide body, get this car done. Crew, so we have a partner with the great body shop over here in Irving. We taught them the system that we use to install it. The reason we do it is that sometimes subbing out some work helps them with the workflow of the shop. We get pretty busy. And it's kind of hard to just, you know, do everything that we do every day, all the time. So we have actually subbed out, hold on, let me get this here. We have actually subbed this out to a body shop. We gave them the process. They're doing an awesome job at doing it. And we're about to take it to them so they can start the wide body process on this bad boy right now. All right, guys, so we're here, got it signed, sealed, delivered. I want to show y'all what she looked like before. This is what the car looked like right now. And I'm gonna show you what the car looked like when she's done. This is her. We got John doing all this shit for us now. He's doing great on it too. Taught him the trick, but look at this here now, guys. Clear. Look what it looks like. And you're about to see it get done. And what she look like when we get finished. This one in the books, y'all. So check us out here at AUDIOZONE DFW here in Irving, Texas, man. Guaranteed we're gonna get it done. 100% perfect. Y'all gonna see. Guys, so this is what's going on, man. Giving you an update. We got the blue Challenger Hellcat back from Widebody. Look it out, guys. This is another one that we just knocked out for a client. This car came from far, far, far away. He has a vehicle here from West Virginia. It's a beautiful car. It is a real Hellcat. We just done the wide body, as you can see on this car. Matched the color perfectly, and I've had this car ready to go. He's going to be taking delivery of this car this weekend as he gets it shipped back to him. But it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful another wide body that we have been able to knock out here at the shop. I just want you to pay attention to it because it looks original. I just want you guys to tell me, he's gonna put his own wheels on it, so he didn't do the wheels right now, but I want you to tell me, what do you see different between this one and any other ones that you see in the streets? It is an official wide body down here at AUDIOZONE. There's a sneak peek of the other one, but I can't show you that one because that was not ready to be delivered yet. But this one here waiting for some parts that the customer especially ordered. But we also did this wide body. Y'all can get a sneak peek. Another purple one, this one coming from Florida. We're waiting for some parts. We did the red eye. I can't show y'all everything, but y'all, this one going on here. It's another day the car about to get signed, sealed, and delivered out to the owner out in West Virginia. We'll show you what's going on. They're finishing the steps on her, man. We already did the wide body on her, as you can tell. She's already done. We got the lights inside, which I'm gonna show you in a second. We're about to put the wheel spacer. So this is what we tell you guys. You see that when you do a wide body, you're adding about 1.5 inches of body to this car. You can't really technically see it here, so I get you guys a good angle. But the wheel's inside the car, you see that? So we put them out about 1.25 inches out to be able to give the car some stance. In fact, maybe I can even show you a better understanding of that here. So you can, I don't know if y'all can see this the way I want you to see it. Let me see. But you see how deep the wheel is inside? Like literally, look at the tire. This is here. You can see pretty much, but right here, that's how deep inside the tire is from the fender well. So what we're gonna do is at this point in time, oops, let me get some lighting for y'all, is put the wheel spacers on to get the wheels to get to the car and get the car ready for delivery today, man. We're here right now. The car is actually coming in from a test run, making sure that everything's legit and right. And this is the finale of this wide body. So I'm gonna walk you through the car so you can see everything we did to it. We did the custom demon flares with the front splitter for the wide body. With the DL arc, I'm gonna show you, but this is what she's looking like. She has the wheel spacers installed. This is what the car looked like. Let me give you guys a look. and she's gone. Out of y'all. So we also did in this bad boy the DLRs. This was ready to be signed, sealed, and delivered to the guy in West Virginia. The young man that picked up the vehicle, man, he does the car transportation. Tell everybody who you are, man.
Man, my name is Reg. I'm with IDTS, man. Look us up, man. We're in Cedar Hill, Dallas, Texas. We're going anywhere on the map, man. Let us know what you need. Hit us up. IDTS.
You're about to take this one out and transport it out to Virginia, I believe, right?
Yeah.
This car going out to Virginia. This is in your possession, man. It's all yours. Take a good time. It's a pleasure. But we'll get your info. And you're on Instagram. You're what?
Oh, I ain't do no Instagram.
How we find you?
I'm on Facebook, man. They call me Andre the Don. Andre the Don.
Andre the Don. So how do we find you to get a hold of transports?
IGTS in Cedar Hill, Texas, man.
IGTS Transport.
Yes, sir.
I got it, man. Well, I gotta edit all that. All right, y'all, but this is the finale of the blue one, man. She can be signed to deliver to the customer. We're so grateful for the opportunity, man. These cars that come from us nationwide, man. It's been a blessing God has given us in this year. In the midst of all the storm, man, we've been able to not only just thrive, but succeed, man. So this car's going out, man. I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for the subscription. Y'all be good and God bless.